You guys want simple? This is a simple build. One 2x12, one 2x10, and one 2x8. Your first two pieces are gonna be 36 inches. We're gonna build 3 plank chairs at the same time, large, medium, and small. Most of you ask for plans. I usually sketch something up and change it as I go. Follow along. Remember, nothing is to scale on this paper. Let's clean these edges up. Large, medium, small. Now we're cutting 2 at 30 inches. And the 2x8, 25 inches. Now we're gonna dog ear each board on one side. 2 inches for the big board and 1.5 inches on the other 2 boards. Okay, you have 25 inches, 30 inches, 36 inches. Now we need to cut a hole in the middle of the board. On the big one, we're pulling up 13 inches center. Gonna leave this solid on each side. So it's closer to 1.75 inches, just so you have enough room to slide this plank in and out. On the 2x10, we're gonna go up 12 inches for the medium board. Now on the medium and smaller board, I'm gonna come over 1.5 inches. Now it's time to trim this down so it fits inside our slot. So the large chair is gonna have a 12-inch seat. One line right there, all the way across. We have a 2-inch reveal down here, so we're gonna pull over 2 inches from here. Run this line all the way down. And there you have it, a big old seat. I'm gonna make a level line right here. Mine was almost 35 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna leave the back square because if you're in dirt, grass, I'm gonna leave it just like that. Look at the front. It came out sweet, look. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a hole right here at the top of this, 6 inches. And actually I'm gonna leave 3/4 inch. That's gonna give us 1.25 inches. So that'll be a nice little handle. And on the 2 smaller ones, I'm gonna do something different. Get it as good as you can with the jigsaw. Clean it up with sandpaper. Oh, let me see. That's pretty decent. That'll work. Now it's time to put a finish on it. And for this kind of project, I like putting paint on there. It'll wear naturally and I like that look. But do whatever you do best. And let me know in the comments how you're gonna finish your little chairs. So I got 3 cans of paint. I'm gonna wipe these down with mineral spirits. I'm going with red, white, and blue, and I'm gonna paint each piece a different color and mix and match. Let me know if you're gonna mix and match your colors as well. I've had these brushes for years. I lost track. Many years. Some are newer, some are older. A good Purdy brush will last you 10, 20 years or more if you just wash it out each time you use it. But I know you don't want to watch me paint for the next 2 hours, so I won't put you through that. I'm gonna put on 2 good coats. 2 good coats. Let's see what it looks like. Little preview. I don't know, it looks like fire engine red. That's good enough for me. Here we go. There we go. I'm sure some leaves are gonna drop on it in a little bit. And I'll see you on the other side. And then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna attach these boards together to stow them away and carry them around, because that's what makes them fun, is that they're portable. Let me show you how we're gonna do that with some old belts I picked up from the thrift store. Okay, so I'm bringing the belt around. Take this chisel and just push it in there so I know where to mark this right here. Put 4 screws here, and I think I could just cut this when I'm done. I'm doing this on the fly, like most of my builds. Okay, besides touching up paint, because I chose to go with 2 colors, so keep that in mind. This belt right here, I tightened up, and then I took 1 screw out because it was too tight. So right here, I'm gonna make sure I only have 3 screws here now, so the belt's not too tight against the wood. And I'm just gonna push this down, not as tight as I did the last one, just not gonna snug it up against the board too tight. Ow, boy. And he's dumb enough to do it again. Let's go. Now, since the paint transferring looks kind of crappy, so I'm just gonna hit it with the sander, everything. And so that problem will kind of go away. Just slide it down in there. Let's check it out. Oh, that's nice. That's comfortable. For 2 boards, that's pretty nice. Such a simple build. Now it's time to challenge yourself with these 2 builds right here. They're simple, but challenging. Thanks for watching. Boy, that sun is bright. And 1 2x8.